अगर तुमने आज तक इंटरनेट पे एक भी पैसा नहीं कमाया तो भूल जाओ हाउ टू मेक $10,000 per month, भूल जाओ हाउ टू मेक $100 per month. Focus on making your first dollar on the internet, and the way you do it is actually in 3 steps. Step number 1 is learn a skill and get really good at it. Step number 2 is learn soft skills required to actually create an offer and packaging of that skill that will be perceived as something valuable to the market. Step number 3 is to let people know about the skill and the value you can bring to the world. बताओ लोगों को how you are valuable and how you can help them alleviate their pain. उनके पास उनकी प्रॉब्लम्स के सोल्यूशन को लेके जाओ. टेल देम हाउ यू कैन हेल्प. दे विल गेट योर सोल्यूशन, दे विल बाय इट एंड दे विल पे यू मनी इन रिटर्न ऑफ इट. You can easily do it starting today in the next 6 months by learning skills, working as a freelancer and providing your services. You just need one client in this entire world. I mean, if you cannot do that, I don't think you can probably do anything of importance, okay? You just need 6 months, 6 good months and you will make your first dollar. Focus on the first dollar because once you make that first dollar, there is no going back. That was day 6th of From Scratch. I'll see you guys tomorrow.